They present us with the following exercise. To input the numerical values 8 and 3 into cells A2 and B2 of sheet 1. Introduce in cell B4 an expression that calculates the product of both amounts. Let's get started. So they tell us to introduce 8 and 3 in A2 and B2. We go to the Excel sheet. In A2 and B2 we introduce quantities 8 and 3, and in cell B4 an expression that calculates the product. So we go to Excel and in B4 an expression that calculates the product. It will start with the equals sign, and we will tell it to multiply this quantity by this other quantity. The result logically is what we expected, 24. The problem goes on to tell us that in B5, B6, B7, precisely those that are below the previous one, to calculate their respective sum difference and quotient, very simple. The equals sign sum this cell plus this cell. Enter. It gives us 11 difference. This cell minus this cell. And the quotient equals this one / B7, divide in Excel, divided by this one. And it gives us a quantity logically not a round number, 2.666 with loads of decimal places. In theory, with infinite decimal places, Excel will work with a limited though very, very large quantity, meaning that in practice we will not accumulate much error. Next, it told us to calculate in cell B8 its power, that is, 8 raised to 3, in cell B8. We go to Excel, and in cell B8, which is where we are situated, we are going to put an expression which is the base 8 raised. We do this using the circumflex. And the 3 that we have in cell B2. 8 raised to 3, or A2 raised to B2, which is A2 raised to B2. We hit enter and it gives us indeed 8 by 8, 64 by 8, 512. And to finish the exercise we need to enter in cell B10 the sum of the 5 value obtained. In cell B10, which is still a cell even further down, we are going to enter an expression that is a bit more complicated, which is not only an arithmetical operation between two amounts, between two cells, two values that we have in two cells, but a slightly larger amount. We can do it. It would be as simple as extending, that is, the expressions this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. We see that whenever I click a cell, it shows us it with color coding, which cell it is referring to. This means it is very easy to detect if we make a mistake, indicating with the cursor. And so this is the most recommended way of introducing this type of expression. Upon hitting enter we validate the expression and get the result, which is 554.6667, say, rounded to the visible figure.